All right, so let's talk about choosing the right WooCommerce themes. So what is a WordPress theme? So a WordPress theme is a group of files. So that would include the style sheets, code snippets, the files that dictate the style of your website. So the presentational aspect of the website, what the user sees, the end user, in this case, the website visitor sees on the website, is what the theme controls. So you can manipulate a WordPress theme that comes with a subset of controls to display dynamically how you want, let's say, the products to appear on a product page, or how you want the home page to appear, how you want the filters on the left-hand side panel of the website to look like, right? So the theme controls all of that. So WordPress by default comes with a theme that's already pre-configured. So if you install WordPress, and we'll go ahead and give an example of how to do that. When you install WordPress, it already comes pre-configured with a theme. You need a theme in order to use WordPress, the content management system. So the theme can control something as vast as your website layout, or as a minute, or as a hyperlink, colors, SEO, and other vital scripts. So you can change the color of hyperlinks. There's some themes come equipped with search engine optimization controls and some other vital scripts, right? There are some themes that come with their own forms, their own contact forms, their own media output, right? So video players, etc. It depends on the theme, and it depends on what the theme author intends to express with the theme, right? What typically some theme authors are developing scripts specifically for specific niches. So if you're a business website, for instance, or a plumber, right, let's say, and you offer a plumbing service or HVAC service, there are themes that are designed specifically for that and come with a subset of these vital scripts to help extend the theme, and WordPress, in essence, to accommodate that particular business category. So let's talk about WordPress WooCommerce themes. Now, remember we talked about, this is the perfect segue. We talked about how themes can be specific for specific business categories, developed for specific theme for specific business categories. So there are WooCommerce themes. So let's go over what to look for when you're shopping for a WooCommerce theme. Now, if you've used Shopify or BigCommerce before, you know what a theme is. If you've used WordPress before, you know what a theme is. So what should you look for? There are thousands, literally thousands of themes out there, and many theme marketplaces, right? So what do you look for? Well, we live in the age of the mobile phone, so we want to make sure that our themes are mobile responsive, that mobile users can order things and they can see our presentation, our website easily, and control and browse our website easily from a mobile phone. So we want to make sure, or a tablet, right? So we want to make sure that we have mobile responsive websites that are particularly using a development framework known as Bootstrap. So we also want to make sure that our themes are easy to use. We want to avoid themes with complex configuration settings. The last thing you want to do is be frustrated as a business owner and having to go and manipulate something that is really easy. So try to avoid super complex themes with complex configuration settings, because the more complex the theme is, it doesn't necessarily mean it's better. We want to make sure that we're using themes that have great UI, UX experiences. So UI, and we'll talk about UI later on in the playlist. There are videos dedicated to this. So UI, UX stands for user interface, user experience. So we want to make sure that we have seamless checkout experiences whenever we are shopping for a theme. So a theme that a customer, they click on a product, they add it to cart, they have an awareness of where the cart is so that they can check out. They put in information, their credit card information or PayPal, however, and they're in and they're out of there in 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, that's what it's like on Amazon, right? So we have to use this standard of a seamless checkout, a quick checkout, because nobody has all day to be frustrated by a user interface, by a user interface. Okay, that impacts the user experience. We want a theme that is going to be SEO, search engine optimization friendly. So a theme that comes with SEO input, a theme that is not encumbered by the speed, for instance. SEO, search engine optimization, deals a lot with web page loading speeds, right? Google is going to summarily ignore websites that take too long to load because it impacts the user experience on the Google search engine. So they're not going to refer users to websites that load too slow. We'll talk about how to mitigate that, but this is one of the most overlooked things with SEO. We want to make sure we have themes that are light, that are fast, and can load properly. Because in itself, WordPress is already SEO friendly, and there are things we can even do to extend WordPress's SEO friendliness, right? But we also want to make sure we have themes that are built with SEO in mind. Fast page load times. Okay, we want to make sure we're having themes with fast page load times, and that kind of fits into the SEO category you talked about. So let's go and have a look at what some themes look like, what to look for themes, and I'm going to show you 2 theme marketplaces. So we're going to take a look at a checklist. It's just a very brief checklist using this. Mobile responsive themes, easy to use, great UI UX experiences, SEO friendly themes, fast page load times. We're going to go to theme marketplaces to shop for themes to show you how to actually shop for a theme and using the best protocols. Not all themes, remember, there are thousands of them all out there. Not all WooCommerce themes are made equal.